Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. The Monetary Authority of Singapore has been issuing strong warnings against retail investments in cryptocurrencies and has been taking increasingly stronger measures to restrict retail access to cryptocurrencies. Talking about retail investors trading crypto, Rafi Menon, managing director of MAS, said they seem to be irrationally oblivious about the risks of cryptocurrency trading. While delivering an opening address on a public platform, Menon said the MAS was once making pro-crypto decisions but was now being overly cautious and losing its appeal as a global crypto hub. Yet, Menon pointed out that others see MAS as having struck the right balance. The crypto winter is proving MAS policies to be right. Adding frictions on retail access to cryptocurrencies was an area the MAS was contemplating, cited Menon. This may include customer suitability tests and restricting the use of leverage and credit facilities for cryptocurrency trading. Yes to digital assets innovation, no to cryptocurrency speculation. Management, though there being confusion about cryptocurrencies, blockchains, and digital assets, Menon explained that the public and media attention has tended to focus on cryptocurrencies, but cryptocurrencies are just one part of the entire digital asset ecosystem. To understand the issue more sharply and what the benefits and risks are, we need to be clear about what the different components of this ecosystem are, he said. Menon admitted that the inherent complexity of this ecosystem, confusion about cryptocurrencies, blockchains, and digital assets, has made it difficult, even for MAS, to get its message across. Meanwhile, MAS is considering a four-pronged approach to building the digital asset ecosystem. First, explore the potential of distributed ledger technology in promising use case. Second, support the tokenization of financial and real economy assets. Third, enable digital currency connectivity. And fourth, enterprise with strong value proposition and risk management. Consumers are scarcely trading in cryptocurrency globally, not just in Singapore. Attracted by the prospect of sharp price increases, Singapore used to present itself as a crypto hub as the country's welcoming approach helped the financial hub attracting digital assets. Surface-related firms from China, India, and elsewhere in the last few years, making it a major central in Asia with an announcement of this nature. Mess has altered the crypto community in Singapore. Mess has defended its actions by explaining that cryptocurrencies are actively traded and heavily speculated upon, with prices that have nothing to do with any underlying economic value related to their use on this distributed ledger. Singaporeans may soon be able to host weddings and crowdcasts in the metaverse. Consumers are increasingly trading in cryptocurrencies globally, not just in Singapore, attracted by the prospect of sharp price increases. Singapore used to present itself a crypto hub as the country's welcoming approach helped the financial hub. Okay, guys, Thanks for watching. That's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.